I've spent weeks building and optimizing my AI workflows, automations that think, analyze, and even improve themselves. But here's the problem I discovered. Most creators stop too early. They build a system that works once, but not one that grows forever. Today, we're stepping into a new phase. This isn't just automation anymore. It's autonomous scaling, the art of building AI systems that expand their own capacity without human input. Why automation alone isn't enough. When I automated my YouTube workflow, script, edit, thumbnail, upload, I felt unstoppable. But then something strange happened. The system plateaued. Growth flatlined. I wasn't failing, but I wasn't scaling either. That's when I realized automation saves time. Systems create leverage. The real power comes when your automations connect, communicate, and evolve like an organism. From workflows to systems. A workflow executes. A system decides. Workflows run predefined steps. Input right arrow, process right arrow, output. Systems monitor, evaluate, and adapt based on results. Here's the difference. A workflow makes a thumbnail. A system tracks click-through rates, learns what worked, and updates the next thumbnail design automatically. That feedback loop, that's where the magic happens. 3. Building the scalable core. To scale AI systems, you need 3 invisible pillars. 1. Feedback intelligence, data loops that teach your tools what better means. 2. Resource awareness, the ability for the system to optimize time, compute, and cost dynamically. 3. Cross-function orchestration, linking multiple AIs into one cooperative brain. My setup now looks like this. ChatGPT handles creative logic. 11 Labs runs narration and voice cloning. Runway executes visuals. Notion plus Zapier syncs analytics, comments, and performance metrics. Every node learns from the others. Each iteration becomes smarter. That's a self-scaling machine. 4. Automation 2 equals self-optimization. In Automation 1, you tell AI what to do. In Automation 2, AI tells itself what to do next. For example, if retention drops below 45%, the system triggers a rewrite sequence. If CTR dips under 1%, it rebuilds thumbnails with alternate color tones. If audience watch time spikes, it clones that narrative tone for the next upload. No manual testing. No endless tweaking. Just self-learning loops. 5. The scaling law. There's a rule I call the scaling law of automation. A system can only scale if it can self-improve faster than you can manually optimize it. That means if you're still the bottleneck, you haven't built a true system yet. Real scalability happens when the AI outpaces your decision-making speed. That's the moment where you transition from creator, right arrow architect. 6. The architecture of growth. Let's visualize. Creator right arrow workflow, right arrow system, right arrow ecosystem. Creator focuses on content. Workflow handles execution. System manages optimization. Ecosystem scales across platforms. The future of creators isn't about one channel. It's about AI ecosystems that manage entire digital identities. YouTube, TikTok, X, newsletters, all synced, all adaptive. That's where we're heading. 7. How to build your scaling engine. Here, how I started my scaling stack. Step 1. Centralize everything. Use Notion or Airtable as the control center. All scripts, data, analytics flow into one dashboard. Step 2. Teach AI to read your analytics. Set up an API connection that feeds YouTube Studio data into ChatGPT. Let it summarize audience patterns automatically. Step 3. Automate decisions, not just tasks. When something underperforms, let AI re-trigger creation. When something works, duplicate it automatically. Step 4. Refine the feedback loop. Make improvement part of the process, not an afterthought. Every upload equals data for evolution. 8. Why most people won't reach this level. Because they think scaling is about doing more. It's not. It's about doing smarter, faster, and with less friction. They chase tools. We build frameworks. They chase results. We build systems that guarantee them. 9. Future-proof your creativity. Creators who master scalable AI systems won't just survive the next wave. They'll define it. As automation becomes mainstream, creativity will become leadership. You won't compete by producing content, you'll compete by designing systems of content. That's the next evolution. 10 final words. If you've been automating manually, stop. If your system depends on you to grow, rebuild it. Because the future belongs to creators who build machines that build for them. This is how we scale beyond time, tasks, and limitations. This is ToolByte Ops.